And we found out pretty early on from the health department that people would be using these like day in and day out, wearing them for a lot of hours at a time. So as much as some people were looking at it as frivolous, we thought that taking the extra time to really maximize the design and building comfort into it as one of the design elements was really important to us. At that point, that's when I did the design, and then I went back to them with some prototypes to get their approval. We were able to truly tailor our product to the requests of the health department, right down to even a standard color that they chose. Immediately, I knew I wanted to involve Tony because, frankly, he is ripped with printers, and I know he's got a good spirit to get behind something like this.
And I just want to echo the same thing, because that's where it came from. I saw people actually started sending me them. Actually, my daughter is the one I first sent me. Hey, did you see this? They're doing this in Syracuse. And then I immediately sent it to Tracy, and then I kept getting more, and so did he. And then that's what started all this. And of course, I know Tracy, and I know his mind works. He looked at it, he goes, we can do better on that design. Now, the one thing too you have to understand is this is not costing anybody, not going to cost them the BOCES or the health department anything. This is all done through two GoFundMe endeavors. One is Tracy started it when I started,